Hi. I hope I don't have apple in my teeth. Oh, Mikey's on his way home too. He went to the grocery store for me. How sweet. I'm just going to paint the top of this wardrobe very quickly. It's for sale and I've kind of dawdled around on it and I'm just not doing much fancy, and I thought y'all might want to see it if I did a really quick little, not tutorial. I'm just painting the top of it because it needs to be done. So I'm just going to throw on, I know I mixed some blues here for the top of this, although it looks too blue to me. So I've got some Farm Fresh just in case. This is a mix of like Hey Sailor and Pedal Pusher, and I thought some mint chip, but I'm not seeing any green in there. I'm just going to spray the top instead of the, because we're kind of up high. It's about, was it 5 feet, 6 feet tall? Yeah, I'm just, all right, so, oh wow, look at that. That looks sweet. Ooh. I don't know what that was. Oh, and I got some on the wall. It's fine. Y'all, can you see that? Wow. I don't know that if you can see how smooth and pretty that is going on. I wasn't sure. I mean, you can't see it. I know it's above my eyesight vision. I have to be on a chair. What is that even? So, I forget about it. So I'm just putting this on. I'm going it's a waterfall buffet. Okay, good. Some colors are coming out that are in there. I'm seeing a little bit of a streaky, which I kind of like. There we go. There's a little deep hole there. Didn't have to be anything fancy because, like I said, I mean, I want it to be covered well and look pretty, but you don't see it from, it's above your vision, the eye level thing. Sorry, I can't think. That all threw me off. Just when I started, Mike's on his way home. Hi, the boyfriend! I'm kidding. So I'm going to cover up this. Look how well that covers that. So I did add water to make it work itself in, because this has been sitting here in my studio for, a couple months now. I mean, painted even, I guess, because I did this a long time ago. This is really going to be a fast one. It really is. I swear. So I'm putting this on, but you know what? It's a very pretty shade of blue, but it's too blue. I did this thing in, and this is very farmhouse, very rustic. It's a very distressed. I'm going to add a little Farm Fresh, and I can't see because the angle is way over here, but I'll look when I get off of here. I have to do this. Here's some Farm Fresh. Can you see the colors, how they go together? I love the, look. Farm Fresh is one of those that if you've got a green, it looks blue-ish and gray. But when you got it next to a blue, it's like a greeny kind of, it's just pretty. But yes, that's better. I've been wanting this to be a blue-greeny kind of, I'm just gonna, okay. There's the clay. It's fantastic coverage and all, but it's too dry. I've got to get the water bottle. I do have it at shepaints2.com, but I think it sort of sensed, my listing has sensed that I wasn't finished. Because I don't think I've had, well, some people favoriting it, but I need to get this piece gone. It's sitting in my entryway. And so I'm going this way. Normally, like on a dresser, I'd be going back and forth. But I say this is a waterfall. I'll pull it out a tiny bit to show you. Yeah, I'm painting the wall. So what? I painted the wall when we moved in. Anyway, I've got the paint. We'll just touch that up. There. And then I just want to make sure that it sort of blends with the front here. Can I move it back? Yeah, now you can see. Well, from that view, this looks not good. So I'm just going to kind of feather it over the actual waterfall thing, the curved wood, so that it sort of blends. And then I did go this way when I was doing it. I've got white wax on there. This went through a whole bunch of different things. We've got all kinds of, and can you see the IOD stamps? I don't know if you can, there, a little bit. And that is that. Y'all, hope y'all had a good day. Mine's getting better. I'm gonna go, I'll read your comments and things. Thanks for watching. And I feel like there was something I was gonna say. It's got an ombre, it goes to Hey Sailor at the bottom, a navy. It's very kind of rusticy and like farmhousey, country something. I'm not sure what to call that. And I put some IOD stamps on the pulls. So they were porcelain white, and now I've got some, you know what, I didn't wax those yet. Some petticoat pink and some, so I'll put white wax on there, I think. All right, love you guys. Thank you for watching.